What does a monkey say? What does your monkey say? Where's your monkey? There's your monkey. Poor monkey. Poor monkey.
You're taking monkey for a walk.
We're going for a stroll, Mommy. I'm dragging him by the tail. Hey. It's Daddy's. Where's your monkey? Where's your monkey? Caleb, can you say hi? Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, mister, you don't touch the oven. You don't touch the oven. Hey, where do you go? Come here.
Bella might chase it.
Your monkey, Caleb. Where's your monkey? Go find Bella. Go make Bella chase your monkey. Come here. Bella. Meow. Meow. Go get Bella. Meow.
What has he got, Bella? Has Caleb got a monkey?
Hey, girl. Hi.
Caleb, come
Bella.
here. Bring your monkey.
Meow. Come here, stand up. Come get her.
Bring your monkey.
Come get her. Come get her. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where's Bella? Caleb, right here. Look. Meow. Where is she? There she is. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Say bye-bye.